RuPaul's Drag Race now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, now I'm filming.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do this.
Dude, this is gonna work.
This is gonna be so crazy, man. I don't even know if it's gonna work, though.
I've heard of, like, you know, really, like, demonic stories. It's terrifying.
Alright, you
This
ready?
candle make me look fat.
Shut up. You're so cute.
Stop it.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Let's do it.
We're
Okay,
serious now.
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm so scared.
Hold hands.
No, I'm good. Sorry.
Kevin Bacon. Kevin Bacon. Kevin Bacon. Apollo 13. Mystic Rivers. Tremors. Dude, I can't do this. I can't do this.
I'm freaking out right now. Okay, just finish it. Just finish it. Everything's gonna happen. It's okay. Let's do it.
Footloose.
Dude, I don't think there's anything there.
Really?
Yeah. Just turn the light on, I guess. Hold on.
Whatever. I think
Hold
I
on,
got
wait, which one is
candles.
it? I can't figure out which one. I think it might be that one.
This one?
Yeah, that's.
I
Right
don't
here.
know, man. I think I
Yeah, that one. Good job,
need to
man.
get into light.
I don't know. Let's just get out of here. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the hell? What the hell is that? Oh my god! Oh my! Are you okay, man? No. Are you okay? No. Okay. Oh god! Oh god! What's happening? Hold on. I don't think. Wait. What the fuck? Where did it go? I think he's gone.
I don't know. I'm really cold right now.
You
I feel like dancing.
feel that too?
I feel like dancing.
Oh my god, dude, my feet. I'm getting that rhythm.
Are
My
they
feet, man.
loose?
Yeah, they're way loose. I'm
We
freaking
gotta
out
get
right
out of
now.
here.
Yeah, dude, we gotta fucking leave. Let's go. Let's just go finish
What's wrong?
watching
We need to calm
X-Men.
down our minds.
Let's just go watch X-Men.
I can't get out.
Fuck, okay. I'm so scared. Let's just go finish watching X-Men. I don't think he's in that.
He's not an X-Men First Class, is he? Kevin Bacon isn't an X-Men First Class, is he?
Yeah, no. It's good. Let's just.
Oh.
Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Get out of here!